Alright, so first things first, before we get started, there are a few things I would like you to do first of all. And the first thing here is I want you to install a theme called the Hello theme. This is the theme right here. It's actually by Elementor themselves. We're going to be working with this theme, so please go ahead, install and activate the theme. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and create some posts which you're going to be working with. I have already created about 9 posts in here. You can see I've got 3 different categories of Asia, Europe and South America, and each of these categories have 3 different posts. Now I'm actually going to provide for you the XML file that will contain all these posts, so you can simply import them onto your website. And then for the images as well, I'll also provide probably a link to Dropbox where you'll have access to all these images which you can use. A lot of these images are actually for my own Instagram account, but you're more than welcome to use them on your own website. The only thing I ask for is that if you're going to use my images on your website and you're making money from your website, please do mention that you got these pictures from my Instagram account. So please do that. But I'll provide for you all the posts content via an XML file and also the images that I have used. Now I've also created a few pages as well. I do have the about page, the articles page, which would be like the blog page, a contact page, a featured page, and of course the home page. Also, when you're done, come down here to settings, go to reading, and then set your home page to the home page. So basically choose a static page right here and then set home page to be home. Last but not least, I've also created a menu. So go down here to appearance menus and then create your main menu. You can see I do have my menu name right here called main menu, and I've added home, about, articles, featured and contact. So that's a little assignment for you to do. Again, I'll provide for you the XML file for the posts and pages, as well as a link to Dropbox for the images being used.